authority when it comes to policing in Nigeria. Today, kidnapping, we have so many atrocities everywhere. How do you think Nigerian police can rise up to this challenges? Because for any developed nation, security must be key. And it seems as if they are leaving their primary duties to actually face the politician, protecting the politicians, instead of protecting the citizen, which is their core areas of why they were being...
Currently, Nigeria is facing so many security challenges. We have the terrorism there, Boko Haram terrorism, Fulani herdsmen or Fulani Rustler terrorism. It's also terrorism. We have insurgency in the south and southeast, and we also have kidnapping saga, mainly in the north central. Then some parts of also in the southern part of the country as well. So we're talking about this. You agree with me that this could task the Nigerian police, really make them to feel worked out. Because when you talk about the internal security, it is the primary function of the Nigerian police. There are other security agencies, but when we say constitutionally, it is the role of the police to provide internal security. In the past, when the issue of Boko Haram started, the federal government thought the police could quell the Boko Haram terrorism. But when police failed, that was why then they invited the army, Operation Lafayette Dole. And for now, talking about the Fulani Rustlers and terrorism, these people are not stable somewhere. They move about. So for that very reason, it will take also a mobile police officer, a mobile policeman, to also tackle these people. Not only that, it will also take a very intelligent police officer who is well and knowledgeable and who understand the terrain very well. And that leads us to what we refer to community policing. For you to be able to police a society, you must understand the geography of the community, understand the psychology of the community, understand the history of the community, understand the sociology of the community, understand the culture of the community. So if you take me, for example, assuming I'm a police officer now from the southwest, you now take me to Maiduguri. If I should get to Maiduguri, it will take me almost 6 months to understand the terrain. If I'm also a fast learner, I have to begin to learn Hausa language or whatever language they speak there. Because most people you will meet, the police will meet, are the locals who don't understand the English language. So for that very reason, so that's why in most of my work, I talk so much about community policing. I'm not saying somebody who comes from Oyo State should be posted to Oyo State. But if it's posted to Lagos State or Ogun State, at least you know that the culture are more or less the same thing. So this will help talking about policing effectiveness.
Finally, what advice do you have for the current management of the Nigerian police force? And before that, how would you assess the current management of the Nigerian police force?
Yeah, talking about the current management.
So-called change begins with me.
I don't know. The so-called change begins with me is just a rhetoric. In actual fact, change has not even started. Let me put it that way. But talking about the current management of the Nigerian police, I think the current IG, by the time he came to office, he started very well, trying to probably come out with policies. I think I just need to advise him to be focused. Not only that, it is high time the Nigerian police force tap from police scholars. It happens in Europe and America. You see, it is police scholars that will sell ideas arising from their studies to members of the police management team. It is now left for the police management team to then put that ideas into practice. That is why in civilized crime, we're talking about practitioners and researchers. There must be that nexus. Without the nexus, most of the team, we should be helping the police to come out with policies and how they can have a better policing. And we've been doing that, but it still remains at the level of talking about Nigerian factor, not using most of the research works that we have in the university.
Before you go